In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join affiliate program on Teachable. If you're looking to earn commissions by recommending the Teachable platform itself, not individual courses or schools, this is the official path. The process is straightforward, and by the end you'll know exactly where to apply, what to include, and what to expect once you're approved. First, head to teachable.com/partners. That page hosts Teachable's affiliate and partner information, along with the application area. Once you're there, look for the Apply or Become an Affiliate button, typically near the top. Click it to open the application form. On the form, you'll be asked for basic details such as your name and email, plus how you plan to promote Teachable. Keep your answers clear and specific. Briefly describe your audience, the channels you'll use, like a website, newsletter, YouTube, or social media, and the kind of content you'll create to introduce Teachable's features. If you have relevant links that show your work, include them. The goal is to help the review team understand that you reach the right people and that you'll represent the brand accurately. Using a professional email address and making sure your website and profiles are publicly accessible can help the reviewers verify your information. When you're satisfied, submit the application. Approval usually takes a couple of business days. During this time, watch your inbox and spam folder for updates. If the program uses a partner portal, often managed through PartnerStack, you may see messages inviting you to complete your account there. Once you're approved, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard through the partner portal. That's where you'll find your unique referral links, performance stats, and resources. Copy your unique links and use them wherever you talk about Teachable. Always test a link by opening it in a fresh browser window to make sure tracking parameters appear and the page loads correctly. Remember, your links point to the Teachable platform, not to individual creators' courses. As you start promoting, follow the program's terms and required disclosures. Clearly let your audience know that you may earn a commission if they sign up through your link, and focus on genuine, helpful information about who Teachable is for and what problems it solves. To recap, go to teachable.com/partners, click Apply, fill out the form with a clear promotion plan, submit, wait for approval, and then use your affiliate dashboard and unique links to start sharing Teachable responsibly.